Hey guys, Oiza here, and today I'm going to be doing a Christmas baking video with, say your name.
Oh, Mimi.
With Mimi, because why not? It's Christmas time, guys, and baking's fun. We are going to bake, tell them what we're baking.
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip. Or more specifically, butterscotch chip and white
Ew.
chocolate chip.
She's the one who asked for them. I think they're nasty.
Why
too.
did you get
You tried them?
chocolate
Yeah,
chips?
and they smell good, but like,
You don't like them? Do you like them too?
anyway, let's
return them.
Let's get started. Okay, what do we do first, Mimi?
Butter.
She means margarine, because she don't got no butter. See this?
That's a double negative. What?
Just put in the margarine.
How
please.
much?
Oh, 1 second, folks. While I pull up the recipe. We need 1 cup. This is so bad. I don't know how this is going to go. I feel like we're going to just make awful cookies. Next, we need sugars.
How much?
1/4 cup.
We're gonna need to move that. Or wait.
Hold on. Do you have baking soda? You better, or else we should stop this right now.
Then what are we gonna do with this? Eat it? That's disgusting.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. And vanilla. We need, you do the vanilla, I'll do the eggs. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
1 teaspoon.
We baking. We baking in the kitchen. We baking. Boy. 1.
Don't put that on the counter. You want people to get something else?
Eggs.
Now wash your
combined.
hands. Wash your hands.
I will. Calm yourself. Literally like cake batter. Oh gosh, this isn't going to end up well.
I've baked with margarine so
Once
many
you put the
times.
flour, it'll be like.
Okay, now we need the flour and baking soda.
Look up a.
Oh, we need a separate bowl for that though, and then we have to add it.
Look up a substitute for baking whatever.
Yay! That's baking powder.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, that's fine. This is we were gonna put cornstarch in our. Oh no! Oh no! We're so good at baking.
Way too much of my energy.
We need music.
I look up in the world. We'll be right back, folks. With after a little break.
What did you just say?
There's nothing in this world that I like more than coffee. All I really wanna see is the. I don't really need a damn either. All a bad bitch need is the. JC.
Okay. We have sifted flour. We've added baking soda. Yeah, we are adding. Okay. The cookies have been put in pans, as you see. Pans. They've been arranged for baking. So it's okay. As you can see. Thank you. We asked that this might just become one big cookie, but it's okay. So into the oven they go. Guys, they're not cooked. We put in for the time, but look, they're not baked. Oh gosh, what are we gonna do?
What?
Stay tuned to see our baking. Cookies aren't supposed to look like this, but I think ours are supposed to look like this because like low-key starting to burn. Oh well, we'll find out in 2 minutes when we bring them out of the oven.
Can we just bring them out now, please?
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, so we made the cookies they're not actual cookies.
They're
They
scones.
are looking like scones. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for joining us for this session of Christmas baking with Mimi and Weza.
Don't put my name on this.
You're already in it. Everyone knows who you are. So subscribe down below if you want to see more awful baking or some vlogs or any other content.